His Majesty King Somnala, World of Plenty teleports on World of Plenty TV. Divine prophetic thoughts for your day.
When you brand yourself,
uma-ke uziqamba wena
you are specifying
uyacacisa
what type of the product you offer.
ukuthi unahlobo lini lomkhiqizo wena.
What people should expect to
Yini
you.
abantu emele bayilindele kuwe.
And today I'm 36 years in ministry.
Are you ready for my advice? How to use social media
uyisebenzisa kanjani inkundla ezokuxhumana
to your advantage or to our advantage as Plentiologist
uzuze ngayo noma sizuze ngayo njengomnandi
and to benefit from it.
ukuzuza kuyona.
Number one,
Okokuqala
brand yourself,
funda ukuzibranda wena.
or we must brand ourselves.
Kumele sizibrande thina.
Everybody say branding.
Wonke umuntu athi branding.
Say, I'm going to brand myself now.
Ithi ngizozibranda mina manje.
When you brand yourself,
Uma-ke uziqamba wena
you are specifying
uyacacisa
what type of the product you offer.
ukuthi unahlobo lini lomkhiqizo wena.
What people should expect to
Yini
you.
abantu emele bayilindele kuwe.
You are identifying yourself.
Uyazehlukanisa.
You are making a mark
Wenza uphawu
that when people see you,
ukuze abantu mabekubona
they know what you
bayazi
offer.
ukuthi yini labazoyithola kuwe.
Let me make an example.
Ake ngenze isibonelo.
If you are a musician,
Uma uwumculi
try
zama
to not just be Ayanda.
uthi ungavele nje uyibize ngo-Ayanda.
Brand yourself in a way.
Ziqambe ngendlela
When
yokuthi
somebody see your Facebook,
xa umuntu ebuka kuFacebook wakho
can quickly know this is a
usheshe azi
musician.
ukuthi umculi lo,
This is a man of God.
umuntu kaNkulunkulu lo.
Why so?
Kungani kumele kube njalo?
In the future,
Kusasa
when he wants somebody
uma esefuna umuntu
to come and offer the service,
ukuletha lenkonzo
he will look for you.
uyofuna wena.
For example,
Isibonelo,
you don't call faith water,
awubizi Faith water
water.
ngamanzi.
Because then immediately you say holy water is not
Mawuvele
faith
uthi
water.
amanzi angcwele akuseyona i-Faith water.
It's not faith water.
Akusesiyi Faith water.
Because people know there was holy water before the faith water.
Abekhona amanzi angcwele ingabikho i-Faith water.
Immediately you call water,
Mawuqala ubiza amanzi
iswasho.
iswasho
You have misled people.
subadukisile abantu.
Noma ubani usengaqhamuka dayisa iswasho.
Any person can now
Noma
sell
ubani
iswasho.
usengafaka amanzi holy water,
Any person can put holy water.
amanzi enkonzo,
The church water,
mineral water.
mineral water.
You haven't named your water.
Awukawaqambi kahle
You
awakho.
haven't branded yourself.
Awukayiqambi kahle wena.
People who are talented
Abantu abanekhono,
or doctors,
odokotela,
they even if they get married, they don't change
noma beshada bashintshi
their surname.
isibongo sabo.
They would rather do a double ballot.
Bangamane babe nezibongo ezimbili.
Why?
Kungani?
For example, uDr. Tandis
Isibonelo, Bishop Mkhuzo.
ushadele kwaMkhuzo,
She's married to Mkhuzo family.
Dr. Giwi.
She is Dr. Gill.
If I was a girl,
If bengiwumuntu wesifazane
HQ now,
and I'm HQ nana,
and I'm known as HQ now,
sengidumile ngaziwa ngo-HQ nana.
so that I got followers, people
Nginabalandeli
who says,
Abathi.
"Hayi, yazi lento yakho udinga uDr. Nala."
for this thing you need Dr. Nana.
So I need to keep Dr. Nala
Kumele ngiligcine lelo gama uthi Dr.
so
Nana.
people can trust me through that.
Ukuze abantu bakwazi ukuthola ngalelo gama.
When Mamhlongo got married,
When Queen Mamhlongo eshada,
so we were talking with somebody ukuthi akupheleke nokuba uyanelisa
Creative.
I said no. Understand that it's like a stage name.
lento kufana negama lase stage.
which is very wise to brand yourself, especially if you are a woman. Learn to brand yourself.
funda ukuziqamba kahle.
Can I talk something like something engazuyithanda nina eseni colonize kakhulu?
Can I tell you something that you won't like here who are colonized?
But angikhulume nani ngamantombazana.
Let me speak to you as girls.
If you are Pastor Kosi Duma,
Uma umfundisi costume,
better maintain Pastor Kosi Duma.
uhlala unalelo gama elipastor Kosi Duma.
Ngoba njengoba uyoshadela kwanala ngenzeka udivorce kwanala.
As you are getting married to Nala, you may divorce them.
It is better to create a stage name.
Ungcono uthole igama lase stage.
Anti ngikhuluma ngokuyibranda laba
Talking
futhi.
about branding yourself.
Create your stage what?
Thola ini igama lakho lase stage.
Your stage name, especially if you are a woman, never associate your brand with your surname.
Ungahlanganisi igama lakho lase stage nesibongo.
I'll take Untona
Oqala uMthona,
M
Mthona M,
brands.
friends.
You see?
Amen.
U-M umele ngicabanga.
What does M stand for?
Isibongo sakhe.
It's a surname.
But it's Untona M brand. That's a brilliance.
Ukuhlakanipha ke lokho.
Because sasobe engasasona isibongo sakubo.
That may not be a surname tomorrow.
Mhlawumbe ushadile uya divorce.
Maybe she gets married and
You keep on
divorced.
changing ibongo.
So lo ushintsha ibongo ke manje.
After all, ibongo sayinikwa belungu.
Surnames were given to us
U-Abraham
by white.
kwaku-Abraham because
Abraham was
wengacolonize
Abraham,
Europe.
because was not colonized by Europe.
Now, ama-Europeans have colonized us so much that if you are not calling me Nala,
Mangangibizi ngesibongo
you
esithi
call
Nala.
me Khosha ngokwakho ubona
You
ukuthi
call me by
ungidicilela
name.
phansi.
It's like you are degrading me.
Kodwa uNkulunkulu igama lakhe uJehova umbiza ngoJehova.
But you call God by his name Jehovah.
And today I'm 36 years in ministry.
His Majesty King Somnala, World of Plenty teleports on World of Plenty TV. Divine prophetic thoughts for your day.